Welcome to the tutorial for getting started with DakStats football. This video outlines configuring seasons, teams, and rosters in order to track player stats for a football game. Open DakStats by double-clicking the desktop icon. From the splash screen, users may select seasons, games, and rosters to configure. Before operating stats for a game, the season in which the games will be played must be created. By default, a demo season is already set up, but users should create their own season for all future games. To create or edit a season, choose Configure and select Season in System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, click Add. In the New Season window, enter a title for the season. Next, select the default play entry mode from the choices in the dropdown. Box score game totals allows users to enter all game total stats at the conclusion of each game, while box score quarter by quarter allows for entering stats for each quarter after the game is complete. Play-by-play simple mode is used to enter stats as the game is played down to each individual play. Select a rules file from the choices in the dropdown that describes your team's level of play. Choose from high school, arena football, NCAA, NFL, or indoor IFL teams. Select the default gender, then click OK to return to the splash screen. The next step is to create teams within the software. To create or edit a team, choose Configure and select Teams. In the Configure Teams window, select the season, click Add New, and type in the team location, nickname, print name, and abbreviation in their respective boxes. This is the minimum amount of information necessary to create the team, but the remaining details may be entered if desired. If your league uses DakStats WebSync, you may click the Via List button near the bottom to select your team from WebSync. Repeat this process until all teams are entered. Click Save to save all changes and Close to return to the splash screen. Once a team is entered, the roster for that team may be built. Choose Rosters from the configuration menu to begin adding players. Ensure the correct season and team is selected in the upper right and click Add New. The new player will be displayed at the top of the roster as Add New Player. Fill in the fields with the player's information. At a minimum, users must enter the player's number, first name, and last name. Click Save and repeat the process until all players on all teams have been added. Click Close when finished. It's important to note that users may not delete a player from the roster if he or she has stats entered for the game. To create a new game, from the File menu, choose New Game. Select the proper season, visiting team, home team, entry mode, date, and start time in their respective dropdowns. All other information may be added if desired. Click Save Game to keep the changes and click Done when finished. This concludes the tutorial for configuring seasons, games, and rosters in the DakStats software. Continue to other videos to learn more about your Daktronics control system.